jack of all trade, master of none. But this is a 2014 Chevy Equinox, and jumped in the car, tried to start it, and it wouldn't start. Let me show you what was happening when I turned the key. And I'm noticing this alarm no start light illuminating here. I believe it's a problem with the key fob.
Guys, please watch the video in its entirety.
Light that's illuminating.
There was something else that I figured out could be your problem.
When I started the car, I kind of held it in the start position, even though it wouldn't start. And I noticed this light was staying on. So I think it's connected. So I seen something on the internet that said, well, first I tried disconnecting the battery and then reconnecting. That didn't work. So now I'm going to try something where I attempted to start it, didn't start with the ignition key. I turned the ignition key back one position to run, or on run, and I'm going to sit here and wait for this light to go out. When that light goes out, I'm going to turn the key back all the way and sit here for 10 seconds and then try to restart it. And I'm going to do that for as many times as I need to for it to start. So that's it. And then I'll let you know if it works. So basically, try to start it, which I already did, and nothing happened. So then turn back one click to, I think that position says run start right here. Let it sit until the light goes out, which should be about 10 minutes. And then when the light goes out, I'm going to turn it back, meaning turn it off position, count to 10, and then I'm going to try to start it again. If it doesn't start, then I'm going to redo the whole process where I turn it back one click again, sit here for 10 minutes or until that light goes out. I'll keep my eye on this light. And then when it goes out, I'll turn the key to the off position, wait 10 seconds, and then I'll restart. So that's the process. And if this works, I'm going to write it down so it's not as confusing as it sounds, okay? All right. Okay, family, we're coming up on 10 minutes, and so far this light's still on. I'm not going to give up yet because they actually said 10 minutes, and I'm not yet at 10 minutes. So I'll wait a couple more and see what happens, see if this light goes out. Maybe it could be that that specific option is, it's not going to work for this vehicle. It did say GM. So, all right, I'll check back with you. So you see that? See what's happening? It doesn't turn over, right? So, let me turn it off. So, went through a whole lot of stuff, checking the battery and all of these other things. Then I stumbled upon a second key for the vehicle. And when I put that second key in the vehicle, this is what happened. Start it up. Okay, now, so I just wanted to share this video with you before you go through all kinds of issues to try to figure out what's going on. For me, it was the key. It was basically the key. Oh, the other thing I want to point out to you is when you with your key that's giving you a problem, you see that light? Yeah, that lock. That's the indication that there's a problem. So before you start it up, see if that light stays on, or after you start it up, see if that, or after you try to start it like this. See that light? Yeah, that's the problem. So that tells you that there's something with the alarm system. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video if you learned anything. And please, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. See you on the next one.